Hey everyone, welcome back. So, as you know, I've been producing a series of videos about how to bring PowerPoint and video and animation and graphics together so that you can produce whatever kind of video lecture you want in Adobe Premiere Pro. Well, one of you wrote in the comments and asked, how would I create a video lecture such as we see at a site called Lecturio Medical? I think that's how it's pronounced. Let me show you what this person's talking about. So this is a video from Lecturio Medical, and if we hit play here, we notice the lecturer is lecturing, talking about, and in the background here, we have this PowerPoint presentation going on in what looks like some sort of facility here, right? Well, the facility disappeared, but you see what I'm talking about. It looks like that PowerPoint is standing up on a screen inside of a medical facility of some sort or another. So, how do we do this? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. All right, so let's jump into it. I'm going to come over to Adobe Premiere Pro, and first of all, I'm going to take these off so that I can show you what we're doing. Now, so what we need to do is here, I'll go ahead and come in and join you here. What we need to do is shoot our lecture in front of a green screen. Now, I've already done a video about how to key out the green screen, chroma key, whatever it's called, right? The link to that video is in the description below. So I'm not going to go through all the details on how to make all this green disappear. You just need to know that you need to make all that green disappear. All right, check out the other video for how to do that. All right, so now we're all there and so forth. What do we do? Well, first, remember, we want to be over to the side and maybe a little smaller. So I'm going to come up here to position and to scale. I'll make myself a little smaller. That looks pretty good. And I'll make my position over here so I'm nice and out of the way. So if I come here and hit play, we see that I'm talking there at the side, right? Okay, great, fantastic. Well, now what do we do? Well, now we need to bring in the building, the medical facility, and the PowerPoint presentation. Now remember, everything is stacked. It's in layers here when it comes to the video. So I want to be on top, so I'm on top. So we are going to come over here, and here we go. I'm going to bring over business building. This is a graphic that I downloaded earlier and can use. So lo and behold, I am now standing in a business building lecturing. All right, that's kind of cool. Well, what about the PowerPoint presentation? Well, of course, I have a graphic here. Again, in a previous video, I showed you how to convert your PowerPoint slides into graphics. I'll link to it in the description below, so I won't go over the details right now, but it will hook you up and show you how that's done. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this graphic and bring it on over. And you're like, whoa, the graphic is too big. So I'm going to go ahead and reduce that. And we'll do like that. And then using the position indicators here, I go ahead and put it where I want. All right. So now all of a sudden, I'm in a facility lecturing in front of a PowerPoint presentation. Now, of course, what we can do if we want is we could go ahead and make a graphic that looks like it's on a screen of some sort, right? That's possible. All kinds of different things you can do there, right? So that's the idea. The video is on top, and then you have the PowerPoint presentation slide, and then the medical facility, and you're good to go. And that's how you do it. It's pretty darn simple. So take a look at the videos below that'll show you how to do the little details that we skipped in this one. And then you can throw it together and lo and behold, you'll have yourself a cool little lecture video for your students there. All right. Thanks a lot for the question. Keep them coming. That's how I decide how to do these things. And until we talk again, have a fantastic day.